passing by. Soft melodies float, reaching for the sky. In this metal box, a moment of peace, where worries fade and tensions release. Smooth sailing, up and down we go. Gentle tunes, a soothing flow. In this vertical journey, time stands still. Smooth sailing, what a pleasant thrill. Strangers side by side, in silent accord. A shared experience, no need for a word. Numbers light up as we ascend. This tranquil voyage soon to end. Smooth sailing, up and down we go. Gentle tunes, a soothing flow. In this vertical journey, time stands still. Smooth sailing, what a pleasant thrill. Strangers side by side, in silent accord. A shared experience, no need for a word. Numbers light up as we ascend. This tranquil voyage soon to end. From lobby to penthouse and back again. A brief escape from the world's refrain. In this moving sanctuary, we find our groove. As floors tick by and we smoothly move. The doors slide open, our journey complete. Back to reality, we return to our feet. But for a moment, we shared this space, a calm interlude in life's fast-paced race.